What's up, everybody? Welcome to my real estate walk and talk here. All right, look, I got a special guest here. You guys know this guy.
What's up, guys?
Most popular man in downtown Jacksonville right here in his element. All right, we got pre-watching here. Hey, so we're downtown. We took a little trip downtown to check out some of the projects that we are a part of here as downtown Jacksonville continues to grow. So Alex is with me. This is, where are we right now?
We're at the side entrance to Sweet Pete's, the old Seminole Club building that we bought in January. So we're doing a renovation upstairs to change the third floor back into a pretty cool event space. So we're gonna walk through the restaurant and show you guys.
All right, so let me flip the camera here, see how this works. I don't know if I can do that. Yeah, there we go. Boom. All right, so we are downtown here. You can see there's the Wells Fargo building way back there. That's Hogan Street right there. And I'm not showing you the front of the building. This is the side entrance of Sweet Pete's, but let's go check it out. So we bought this building when?
January.
In January, all right? And Sweet Pete's, why might people know that name?
Especially on the TV show The Prophet, which is Mark Inflamonis. So he bought into the business, and then also he bought the building. We bought this building from him.
All right, so if you're fans of the show The Prophet, they featured...
Obviously, undergoing renovation. It's been shut down for COVID, so that's why the place looks like a disaster.
Yeah, this is a separate restaurant here. And so we're using this time to do some renovations on the upstairs. And so what are we doing upstairs, Alex?
So we opened up the event space, so it had been closed in. So we opened it up to give like an open concept feel that lends itself to higher end event space for corporate events and weddings, things like that.
All right, so it was part of
the construction zone now.
We are going into the construction zone. All right, so what was it before? Well, let's...
Originally, when it was first renovated...
So this is all Sweet Pete's. If we went back here, there's a candy shop back there, or ice cream shop and a candy shop over there. Now we're going up into this upstairs space.
It's going to be hard to hear up here, so I'll just give you guys a rundown and then go poke your head so you can look. So originally it was an event space. We actually had our Christmas party here probably 5 years ago. And then they changed it into basically a toy store. We closed in a lot of it and we're opening it back up. So come check it out.
All right. All right.
So this is it. It doesn't look like too much right now, but we took down a bunch of walls, redoing some beams, putting the ceilings back up. And we're excited about it. Should be opening up in the next couple months here.
All right, fantastic. So is there a lot of wedding space, downtown space like this? Event space?
There's a bunch of event spaces downtown. Yeah, but this is pretty centrally located, and you got the old historic character of the building, so we're pretty excited about it.
All right. Well, so here's the Sweet Pete's building. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. We'll catch up with you later. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And if you want to ask us a few questions about why we do what we do, how this relates to downtown Jacksonville rental properties, you can join me on the Q&A tomorrow. It's 12:30 Eastern, and you can register at jwbqa.com. Catch you guys down the road.